Welcome back to Waffle. Today I'm going to show you how to make these heart-shaped triangle cakes. These are very yummy and they'll be a great snack, and this is my mom's recipe. So let's get started. We'll need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ cups of sugar, and I've taken 2 sticks of butter, which would be equivalent to 1 cup of butter, and then 4 eggs. Next we'll need some baking powder and then baking soda and vanilla essence. First, let's add 1 teaspoon of baking powder to your flour and then about half a teaspoon of baking soda. Next, let's sieve this all-purpose flour, baking powder and baking soda mix. To use this KitchenAid stand to mix all my ingredients. So I've kept the butter at room temperature for about 2 hours now, and I have my 4 eggs here and then 1½ cups of sugar. I'm going to mix all these first. Let's start with butter. Let's add sugar next. Add the eggs as well. Scrape off the edges a bit. Let's add the flour to this. Little bit at a time. Add some vanilla essence to this. Let's add little bit of milk. This batter needs to be a bit loose, so I'm going to add little more milk and mix it again. This is how our batter is now. I'm going to use this waffle maker to make my cakes. So I've turned it on and I'm going to wait until this turns green. Light has turned green. So let's apply some butter and then spread it well on both sides. And now let's add the batter. Let's spread it. Close the lid and I'll wait until this turns green. It's turned green, so let's check how it is. This is how it looks like. Let's flip it. Keep it for another 2 minutes till the light turns green. Now this is ready. Let's take it out. Just remove all these edges and then cut them here into nice triangles. That's it. So this is how our triangle cakes look like. They look like waffles, but these are actually cakes. They're very moist and soft, and they'll be very good as a nice snack. Do try this recipe and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.